Great to have you here again, my fans. First, I must thank everyone who have subscribed to my channel, and also welcome to all new subscribers. We are on our road to 5K subscribers. Well, today I'm cooking a yam that called the Chinese yam and renta yam. They are white soft yam in Jamaica. Very delicious yam. Please take a look at these yams. I think I upload a video charts with the Chinese yam on my channel. You can check it out. Also check out my playlist. I have a lot of videos on my playlist. Medicinal plants, road trip, cooking, nature. These are the Chinese yam. Look, they look like the Irish potatoes, my fan. They are very delicious. This is renta yam. Soft renta yam. Cecile, I think, like it cateching. And a lot of other Jamaicans like their yams. In Africa, they like to crush their yam, like beat it into mortar. Well, I cook some of the soft yam. I'm going to show you inside my pot now, my fans. I'd appreciate if you could leave a comment, or you can give the video a like, and you can subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. And remember to tell others about my channel, Coach a Country Lifestyle Friendly Channel. That's it, my fans. So they have the cabbage inside here. Cook a steamed cabbage along with it, and have some codfish that I fry up the codfish. So I'm gonna put the cabbage along with the codfish and then just eat full jar this nice little small pot of food right now. Mouth water. Whoa, I feel hungry. I smell the codfish fry up. This is making my mouth water, man. Cecile, cateching, back some right now. Have some right now. Stamina done. Stone breezy. Ghana people. Europeans, Americans, Jamaican, Caribbean people. People from Asia, Australia, Canada, the entire world. South America, Central America. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my small pot of food. Chinese yam along with the renta yam. This is the renta. These are the Chinese yam. Cabbage. Along with codfish now. Thanks everyone for watching. One love for my pot. It's nice to communicate with all of my viewers. Them are no cateching, you know. She like this type of food. So big up on yourself. All of my favorite fans them. And all who like to comment on my videos them. One love from Jamaica.